The Ua Perm is one of the most common ELLs that you may come across whenever you have just solved OLL. And in many people's opinions, it is one of the fastest PLLs. On top of being one of the fastest PLLs, it is one of the easiest to learn as well. They're also really easy to recognize. To determine if you have a Ua Perm, take a look at this edge, okay? Ignore the yellow that's on top. Just look at this color that's facing you, okay? If the color needs to move clockwise, so if this green needs to go over to this blue, then it is a UB perm. But this green does not need to move over here because green does not match blue. Let's check the other side. If this green moves counterclockwise, then it would match all of the surrounding green pieces, meaning that it is a counterclockwise cycle of 3 edges. 1, 2, 3. These 3 edges need to move counterclockwise, and this is the Ua perm. There are many different algorithms that you can use to solve the Ua perm, so I'm going to show a few Ua perms that I know. So for this Ua perm, you need to make sure that you hold the solved piece in the back. And you do R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. This next U perm uses middle layer turns and upper layer turns. The algorithm goes M2, U, M, U2, M prime, U, M2. You can also switch up the order that you do the M moves, and this allows you to do the Ua perm from the back. This means that you are holding the solved edge in front of you, and you do M2, U, M prime, U2, M, U, M2. This U perm is very hard to learn, but it can pay off, as I can execute this U perm in about 0.5 seconds. To do this U perm, take your thumb and place it on the bottom right piece that you are facing, and take your middle finger and put it on the bottom left piece of the other side. Make sure to keep these 2 fingers where they are the entire time. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically just carry this 3x1 block with you throughout the entire U perm. Do R2, U, then you're going to take your left index finger and do S prime, then you're going to do U2, take your ring finger and do S, then do U prime and R2.